A vaccine for the shingles virus has been reported to decrease the incidence of dementia. This is according to new research reported in the journal Nature. The study was performed in Wales, a country that borders Great Britain, and the research follows other studies with similar results. Our medical expert, Dr. David Winter of Baylor, Scott and White, joins us to explain. Well, good morning. Good to see you, Dr. Winter.
Good morning. Good to be with you, Kara.
Well, let's talk about this study, how you even figured this out and make the connections. It's quite interesting.
Yeah, let me first explain. Shingles is caused by the varicella zoster virus, the same virus that causes chickenpox. And the idea is that chickenpox, once you get over it as a child, never leaves your body as dormant except when you get the shingles, which is a horrible blistering red rash on one side of the body, one side of the face, maybe one arm, maybe one side of the trunk, never goes across to the other side. That's shingles, a bad disease. And many studies have kind of suggested that you may have less dementia if you've had shingles before. That's what the study's about. Stanford folks put together a large study that explains most of that, Kara.
So when we're talking about the shingles virus and chickenpox, are the studies suggesting that the chickenpox virus can cause a case of dementia, like Alzheimer's?
Yeah, so what the Stanford researchers did is they took 280,000 older adults, people in their 70s and 80s, some of who had had shingles, some had not. None of those had dementia. They followed them for 7 years, and at the end of 7 years, there was a 20% decrease in dementia in the folks that had the shingles shot. So that tells you that there may be some connection there, indeed.
So what is the idea then, going and getting a shingle shot, and who do you recommend that for?
Yeah, you know, the research is pretty good here. There's been other examples. Jakob Crutchfield's a rare disease that causes dementia that's caused by virus particles. COVID, long COVID, can cause brain fog, and that can cause dementia. So maybe viruses actually do that. I think we need more research to actually know about this. It's a good idea to get a shingle shot. Shingles is a bad disease. You don't want to get it. And maybe, just maybe, it might prevent at least some forms of dementia.
And do you have a particular age that you recommend in getting that?
Yeah, they say over age 50, you should consider that. Younger than that, not necessarily. But with this new research here, we may even start that earlier. So much more studies to come.
Okay, thank you, Dr. David Winter. Good to see you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Kara. Appreciate you.